The expectation in Washington has been that the Chinese wouldn't do anything until the midterm elections because they want to see how the president fares, how his party fares up on Capitol Hill, whether he's politically weakened or not, and then they can make a deal based on those results. So the possibility is that November, late November, is the time for this to come to a head, particularly when you've got the president and Xi Jinping meeting in Argentina for the G20 at the end of November, beginning of December timeframe. So that's something to watch. The president, with all this focus on tariffs and trade, the president gave a new interview to Fox News last night with Laura Ingraham, in which he said that he does want a deal with the Chinese, but he is prepared and reiterated this threat to impose those tariffs on all of the rest of Chinese imports that he has not already put a tariff on. So, Joe, as you know, the president has been making that threat since at least July when you talked to him, and he made the same threat to put those tariffs on all the rest of Chinese imports to the United States if he doesn't get a deal. So there was this headline on Bloomberg yesterday that got a lot of attention on Wall Street and spooked the markets a little bit. But when I talked to White House officials, they say there's really nothing new here in the president's thinking. There's no change. That's a live threat, and it has been a live threat since the summer, continues to be if the president doesn't get what he wants from the Chinese. What's unclear here is what the Chinese could offer the president to get him to back off of these tariffs. This seems to be pretty well baked into the expectation that the tariffs are coming unless the Chinese can do something dramatic in a negotiation, and it's not clear what that would be. The president and the White House have maybe deliberately left that a little bit vague in terms of what they would accept.
We'll be through the election, and you said the tariffs don't go on until December.
No, they don't even get announced till December.
Until December, yeah.
Waiting period.
Yes,
so
with the 16-day. So you get through the election and you get through that meeting down in South America to see what, see whether it happens. So it happened.
Right. So yesterday was not the day to panic about tariffs, right? And today's probably not either. But, you know, keep an eye on this story, right? Because the president's determined if he doesn't get something that he feels is a significant concession that's going to change the relationship, the president's determined to do this.